Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just my opinion based on my research and my personal investments. Hey guys, it's Tyson here. So it's Saturday. Just wanted to kind of do a week recap to go through both the cryptocurrency and the cannabis industries. In fact, maybe I'll just split it up into two videos, make it easier. I'll do crypto in this one. So we're going to start with Bitcoin. Everything's still going down, but Bitcoin had a real big down day. And so we're looking at, let's look at, let's do a 7-day here. So here's what we're seeing. We dropped down below 6,000 on what would that have been, the 14th. So on the 14th we dropped below 6,000. And then we've been hanging out around 5,500. Now we're at, what are we at right now on Bitcoin? 55.73. We were back up at 57 the other day. Anyway, it's just bouncing around. It was sitting at 6 for quite a while. And so I think a lot of people figured it would go up from 6, but with these, you never really know. You can't be. Even if you think that cryptocurrency is the most amazing thing, which I really do. I'm starting to see the value in this and realize that, this may be the biggest thing since the internet itself. And so, anyway, but even with that being said, even if it's the biggest thing since the internet itself, it takes time. The amount of the population that knows about it's still very small. There's still a lot of volatility. People don't know what's going to happen, and it's just kind of a weird thing. But numbers are up higher from where they were even a year ago, and things are looking pretty good here. So Bitcoin, probably just a good place to buy, really. But that is completely up to you. I'm going to go back here. Well, let's see here. So you can kind of see where everything's at. XRP has been holding on to the number 2 spot in market cap in the last couple days. I'm a big fan of Ripple XRP. It's sitting at 49 cents right now. There you go. I've got some other videos coming in. So for some more news on Bitcoin and stuff, you saw those ones that just popped up there on my screen. So anyway, Ethereum down to 174. They still just have it as Bitcoin Cash here on CoinMarketCap. Stellar EOS. Anyway, TRON. 1.8 cents. You're not doing too bad there. Anyway, so everything's kind of gone down this week, but hanging in there. Who knows when the run will be? I think everybody was kind of not everybody, but a lot of people are expecting a run by now. But you can't. There's no exacts on this. There's no exact times. There's none of that shit. These move when they want to. They move unpredictably. And they move, they just move strangely, but they are starting to set trends. It's going to start to go off of the last up, and then whatever the next jump up does here, whatever the next run does, that'll start to give us a pattern. Whether it's down, whether it's even, whether it's up, whatever it is, we'll start to get a pattern now in cryptocurrencies. Really after the next up, because this last, at the end of last year, that was just a giant up to the whole market. So now the market looks like it's really low, but it's really not. It's quite a bit higher than it was even a year ago today. And, especially if you look back 3-5 years, holy shit. It's so much better. Your year-to-year average upward movement is really good in this market. So I don't think it's anything to really worry about or anything like that. Just the more it goes down, the better of a buying opportunity it becomes for me. So anyway, for the last week down, that just means that crypto is a better a better better buys. Hey, can anybody explain to me? I'm looking at this USD coin here at 49. I thought it was supposed to go exactly with the U.S. dollar, but then wouldn't it always be a dollar? I'm confused on that. I could probably read something, but if any of you can just tell me in the comments, like how that moves, if it's based on the U.S. dollar at all, or how that works. So anyway, let me know on that. But yeah, as far as the overall market, I mean that's what I'm seeing. I mean, yeah, it's going down. The whole thing with Bitcoin Cash and now you have Bitcoin Cash, ABC, you have Bitcoin Cash. Oh shit, what is it? Oh, I'm drawing a blank here. VA or damn it, I can't remember off the top of my head. Anyway, you got the two Bitcoin Cashes, and so I actually did a video on that the other day, where I actually did remember what they were. SV, that's what it is. So anyway, yeah, comment. If you guys, I'm like I said, I invest in cryptocurrency. I invest in the cannabis market. If you guys are into that at all, just follow my page, hit the bell, and let's all make some money together.